In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid spam in Mailchimp quickly and easily. If you're sending out marketing emails and finding them stuck in spam folders rather than being read by your audience, this guide will help you improve your email delivery. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you need to authenticate your domain. This step is critical because Mailchimp uses authentication methods such as SPF, DKIM, and DMARC to verify that you are a legitimate sender. To get started, head over to Account Settings, then to Domains. Here, you'll need to click on Verify Domain and follow the DNS instructions provided by Mailchimp. This involves adding specific TXT and CNAME records to your domain's DNS settings. Once your domain is verified, your emails will appear to be sent from your own domain rather than through Mailchimp servers, significantly boosting your deliverability. Next, always use a professional from address in your emails. Emails sent from free domains like Gmail or Yahoo often fail DMARC checks, which can lead to them being flagged as spam. Instead, send emails using your business domain. For instance, use an address like you@yourbusiness.com rather than yourbusiness@gmail.com. Another important aspect is to avoid using spam trigger words, especially in your subject lines or the first paragraphs of your emails. Commonly overused words like make money fast, free, or click here now can set off spam filters. Instead, try using more natural and genuine phrases. For example, instead of saying get your free guide, you could say here's your complimentary strategy guide. Balancing text and images is also crucial. Emails that consist mostly of images are often flagged by spam filters. Aim for around 60% of your email to consist of text and the remaining 40% to be images. Make sure to include alt text for all visuals to ensure accessibility and improve deliverability. Be mindful of not overloading your emails with links or buttons. Too many hyperlinks can increase the risk of your email being considered spam. Stick to one main call to action button and 1 to 2 additional supporting links. Keeping your email list clean is another key factor. Mailchimp tracks engagement, so if you continue to send emails to inactive addresses, it can negatively affect your sender reputation. Regularly check your audience, manage contacts, and remove any bounced emails or subscribers who haven't engaged in over 90 days. Before doing so, consider setting up a re-engagement campaign to try and win back their interest. Writing a clear and concise subject line is vital too. Avoid using all caps, excessive emojis, or text that may mislead recipients. A subject line like, "Welcome to the Synergy community," will be much less suspicious compared to, "Congratulations, you won." Don't forget to add a plain text version of your email. While Mailchimp automatically generates one, double-checking it is always a good idea since plain text backups are appreciated by spam filters. Incorporate all required information as per CAN spam laws. This includes your business address in the footer and a clear unsubscribe link. Mailchimp adds these details by default. Ensure they are not removed. Lastly, maintain a consistent email sending schedule. Regular communication, such as weekly or monthly emails, is less likely to be marked as spam compared to sporadic bursts of emails. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your emails are more likely to land in your recipients' inboxes, where they're supposed to be. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps improve your email marketing efforts.